potato, cheese, onion, garlic, and then a chuck roast underneath of it. Oh yeah. Get this chuck roast here all set up. This is a small one. This is only about 2 pounds. I already trimmed off most of the fat. You can see I left a nice little core of fat right in here. All right, season up real simple. Take a little bit of oil. It's going to be our binder. I have just extra virgin olive oil here. And I just have some salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of smoked paprika. Just like that. Make sure you get all the sides best you can. It doesn't look like there's enough on there. Hit it again. It is 2 pounds of meat, so it can take a little bit of seasoning. We'll go ahead and throw this in our smoker, 250 degrees, 200 and 205. But when it gets around 185, I'm going to pull it, I'm going to wrap it, and then we're going to put it back in the smoker again. So all those juices get to come in and really make that chuck roast just fall apart juicy. All right, guys, we're going to throw this in the smoker. Back in a minute. All right, guys, so traditionally when you ever make a chuck roast, you want potatoes. So I have here some baby potatoes. We're going to go ahead and we're going to quarter them. Before we do that, I'm going to take this onion and bam, there you have it, guys. Say here, we'll go with 3 stems of garlic. How's that? Garlic, basically, just like that. Pop off the outside shell. We're not going to chop these. We're going to keep them whole just like that. We're just going to squish them up a little bit. And we're just going to drop them right in the bowl with the potatoes. We're going to quarter them. All right, got all the potatoes done. Got the onions done. Got the garlic done. Go ahead and just give them a little mixing around. Try to break up the onions a little bit. Take a little bit of your olive oil. Oh, how about that? Forgot a potato. That's another reason why you always mix them around when you're done. You may forget one. And I forgot one. I think my cousin threw it in on me when I wasn't looking. A little bit of that salt, pepper, onion, garlic powder seasoning. Not much because we got onions and garlic already in there. But a little bit. 1 stick. We're going to put this in the smoker, also at 250 degrees, and we're going to be cooking it along with that chuck roast. Smell that fresh garlic? Oh, that's right. You can't smell it. You don't have smell-o-vision. I'm telling you, you got to talk to your local providers. You got to get smell-o-vision. Go over here to chuck roast, see how we're doing with the chuck. And there you go. Chuck roast. All right. We're going to put an aluminum foil cover on the potatoes so they'll finish cooking and get nice and soft. Look at the juices just pouring out of there, though. Oh, that's really going to be good. All right, guys. I'm going to call this at 150. I'm going to call it. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. All right, everyone. I think we're going to call this done. We're going to pull the potatoes out, check them, and see how they're doing. Oh, man. Oh, guys. I'm telling you, smell-o-vision. I'm telling you, you got to get smell-o-vision. If you could smell the garlic and the onions and the butter on these potatoes, they smell absolutely fantastic. Oh, I'm telling you, man. Putting that little bit of beef tallow in there. Oh, yeah, guys. That looks so good. First of all, you can see just how juicy and tender it is. You know what we got to do now? Slice it. All right, let's slice it up. That juice looks absolutely fantastic. Get out of here, fly. Oh, man. Guys, can you see that? Can you see the smoke ring? All right, guys, we're going to get the rest of this sliced up. All right, everyone, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to take all that chuck roast that we just cut, and we're just going to put it right back inside the pan. What I want to do is I want to put a layer of those potatoes with the onions and the garlic right over top. I don't want to put any of the oil in there. Got plenty of oil and plenty of fat from the steak, so I don't want any more in there. But that garlic, oh guys, that garlic turned into butter. We are going to put a layer of cheese over top of it, and we're going to put it back in our smoker a little bit, and we're going to make a chuck roast potato casserole with cheese. All right, get that cheddar cheese on there. Oh man. Dale, mariachi! Let's go ahead and throw this back in the smoker. Let this cheese melt up, and we'll have a taste test. Oh yes, potato, cheese, onion, garlic, and then a chuck roast underneath of it. Oh yeah. Mmm. All right. Oh yeah, look at that pool, baby. Look at that pool. Oh yeah. Oh, I wish you guys had smell-o-vision. I really do. But until next time, as always, God bless and happy eats.